baba, sir.
Roger, clear, sir.
Harap ko dun, your takeoff.
Roger. Short field.
Yeah, short field. Woodland traffic, RPC 9012 is entering the active back taxiing runway 08, Woodland.
Okay, my controls.
Hello, you have the controls.
Controls, roll full power.
It's all to green, takeoff power 2400 set.
Woodland traffic 123, taxi to holding point 08.
Contact back pressure.
Front back pressure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
60,
Yeah.
60,
Yeah,
rotate.
right.
Cross the brake, that brakes.
Show you my world,
Enjoy the sunset, Mike.
Alright.
Yeah, it's beautiful now. No clouds.
Absolutely stunning view.
Yep, that's why we fly. RPC 9012 will be clockwise, Mount Arayat, maintaining 800.
Turn now.
Yep, turn now.
Right front, left clear back. Kinda a little high.
That's okay. Sige, sinker to it.
Alright, throttle that power.
Just pitch it up a bit.
show you my world,
Yep. Okay, flaps coming up.